Hello, today I'm unboxing this posed skeleton cat. Looks like it's going to be lots of fun and I can put it with my other posed skeletons. So I have the cat toy, the cat collar, the cat itself, oh, and a little cat bed. And this is the leaflet. It has the cat, some swords, a shrine, or a grave, not shrine, a grave, the man, the lady, and the child, post skeleton, the room, and that's it. Let's cut this open. It's very useful, this light box, because then when all the things accidentally fall out, you can see them where they are. I don't know if that happens to you when you do blind bags. It does to me. Okay, so the cat. I don't know if you can. There we go. Here's the cat. Super cute. Little tail. It's poseable. It looks a bit weird with no ears, but you know, obviously it's a skeleton. Oh, focus. Let's put the collar on. Wink. And there's the little cat with its little collar. Doink. Oh yeah, this is a very fiddly one. Very fiddly. But super cute. So there's the little cat. Oh, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. There will be more post skeletons coming. Oh! Do, 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 do.